હું ભૂપેન્દ્ર રજનીકાંત પટેલ
ઈશ્વર અમે સોગંદ લઉં છું કે
ઈશ્વરના નામે સોગંદ લઉં છું કે
કાયદાથી સ્થાપિત ભારતના સંવિધાન પ્રત્યે
કાયદાથી સ્થાપિત ભારતના સંવિધાન પ્રત્યે
હું
હું
સાચી શ્રદ્ધા અને નિષ્ઠા ધરાવીશ.
સાચી શ્રદ્ધા અને નિષ્ઠા ધરાવીશ.
Hello everyone, welcome back to today's topic of the day. Today we'll be talking about the new chief ministers for Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh. Now in the recently concluded assembly elections of Gujarat and Himachal states, Bhupendra Patel was appointed as Gujarat's chief minister for the second consecutive term and Sukhwinder Singh Sukha was appointed as the 15th chief minister of Himachal Pradesh. Now about the Vidhan Sabha elections, the members of a state legislative assembly are elected directly by voting. Universal adult franchise. A set of candidates stand for the elections from their respective constituencies and every adult citizen votes for a candidate in their respective constituencies. In order for a party to secure a majority in a state, they have to win 50% plus 1 seats in the elections. Parties either decide their chief ministerial candidate in the course of the elections or after the results are declared. The chief minister is the main link between the governor and the ministers and is the head of the state legislative assembly. Now let's see how a chief minister is elected. According to Article 164, the governor of a state appoints the chief minister. However, he or she cannot appoint anyone as per their free will. Following the elections to the state legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha, the governor invites the party or coalition with the majority votes to form the government. The MLAs of the party which gets the majority in the state assembly elections choose who will become the chief minister. Now CM as member of the state legislature, a person who is not a member of the state legislature can be appointed as chief minister for 6 months, within which time he should be elected to the state legislature, failing which he ceases to be the chief minister. According to the constitution, the chief minister may be a member of any of the 2 houses of a state legislature. Usually, chief ministers have been selected from the lower house, that is legislative assembly, but on a number of occasions, a member of the upper house, that is Legislative Council, has also been appointed as Chief Minister. Now let us know about the Chief Minister. In the parliamentary system of government, the governor is the nominal executive authority, the jure executive, and the Chief Minister is the real executive authority, the facto executive. In other words, the governor is the head of the state while the Chief Minister is the head of the government. Chief Minister and other ministers shall hold office during the pleasure of the governor. Chief Minister cannot be dismissed by the governor as long as he enjoys the majority support in the legislative assembly. Now talking about the power and functions of the chief minister. To aid and advise the governor, Article 163, the chief minister is the link between the cabinet and the governor. It is he who communicates to the governor all decisions of the council of ministers as per Article 167. The chief minister is at the head of the council of ministers. Article 164. As head of the state cabinet, the chief minister enjoys the following powers. Formation of the ministry. The other ministers are appointed by the governor on the advice of the chief minister. The chief minister has a free hand in preparing the list of his colleagues. His other important powers are: he can ask the governor to dismiss any minister or he can ask a minister to resign. He is the channel of communication between the council of ministers and the governor. The chief ministers of the states included in each zone act as vice chairman of the zonal council for that zone by rotation. Now that was about the new chief ministers of Gujarat and Himachal Pradesh. Now let's take a practice question from the topic. Consider the following statements regarding the office of the chief minister. Statement 1. A person who is not a member of the state legislature can be appointed as CM for 6 months. Statement 2. The chief minister solely allocates portfolios to the ministers. Now, which of the statements given above are correct? You may take a moment and give your answer in the comment section below. Now, the correct answer is A. That is, only statement 1 is correct. Statement 2 is incorrect. I hope you liked the video and found the information useful. You may also check out our daily current affairs section on our website, and for more such videos, stay tuned to NEXT IAS YouTube channel.